All right, UB2. I am just getting off work. I am just getting off work. This is what it looks like in the morning. In the morning. Fog is rolling in, and old slap dog is rolling out.
All right, it's storytelling time with Slappy Adventure.
Yay! Papa Slappy, would you please tell us a story, please, please?
All right, children, let Slappy Adventures tell you a little story. You guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
All right, here we go.
Once upon a time, not long ago.
Food line, extra low prices. Follow me to fresh. The night is done. Money in the bank. Ow! Baby, what you think? Well, I have some sad news to tell you guys. Well, really ain't got nothing to do with you guys, but to do with me on my route today. On my route today, I'm going down I-26 eastbound. Just crossed over into South Carolina. Just crossed over into South Kakalaki. Around mile marker 8. It might have been around 10. Around mile marker 10. I'm just going down there minding my own business. I'm minding my own business now. And I see something in the road. I'm like, what the blue blazes is that? It was black. It was doggone low to the ground. I think you guys already know what I'm gonna tell you. It was a big black bear. And I ain't gonna say it was a big black bear, but it was a black bear. And needless to say that when I'm going down through there, he was running in my lane going my way. By the time I seen him, it was too late. I said, oh shit, I was getting ready to try to snatch it over or what I could, but I couldn't. So instead of trying to hit him with the tires, I tried to straddle him. Now, we ain't talking about a bear. We ain't talking about a possum or a daggum raccoon or something. I straddled a mini opossum and looked out in the back rear view mirror, and his ass was running across the damn road. I tried to straddle that bear, and I'm here to damn tell you, I felt him up under my truck. Boom, 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 boom. I knocked him out cold. I knocked him out cold, but dead cold, I'm sure. But I don't know. I felt bad, man. I had a daggone sense of, I felt bad. I'm like, daggone. I've never hit a bear. I've only hit one deer. And 30 plus years of driving, I've only hit one damn deer. But this time I hit a daggum bear, I mean square in the back of the head. He ain't even see it coming. He ain't see it coming, y'all. Damn it, boy. I hate to even tell that story. there's something about bears and alligators, and, you know, just animals in general, but bears and alligators and, you know, just animals that you don't see a lot. They kind of resonate to me a different kind of way. Well, it didn't tear up my truck. Like I said, I straddled him. My tag was flat, but now it's rolled under, but it's still intact. But it didn't tear no bumper off. It didn't tear nothing up. Like I said, he was down on all fours. That's why I say he wasn't a great big one. My buddy said he was pretty good size, maybe medium, but he couldn't have been too damn big. If he was too damn big, his ass would have been done tore something up for real, but I don't know. But there was quite a few bear carcasses on the road tonight. There's quite a few bear carcasses scattered out on I-26 tonight. I know we had a couple of buddies of mine that when they riding, they can't make it to the bathroom in one shot, so they pull over on the side of the road. And hell, and I do it myself if I had an emergency. I could usually hold my number one pretty good, but sometimes that number two will hit you and you got to damn turn him loose. But they've been over there pissing on the side of the road, and their yard, they're gonna bear. You hear a bear running around in the damn bushes. When I first started working this job, I was on 40 coming into the gorge around at the state line around mile marker 1, and there was a damn bear. And what happened, the bear was running across the street. So when it ran across the street, it realized that his ass couldn't go over the other end because it had a concrete barricade. So he tried to run back across the street, and all the cars seen him, so they bowed up and stopped. So everybody's bowing up and shit, about to cause a damn 8-9 car pile up because this bear is trying to run across the damn interstate. But I don't know. I feel some kind of remorse about it. It happens, I know it does, but I don't know. I figured I'd come on here and tell y'all that bad and sad news on my job tonight. Alright. It's foggy out here, y'all. I'm headed to the house. I'm about, how many days away? I don't know. I ain't even gonna count no more. I keep getting myself excited. I got a big road trip coming up and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go right now. Alright, you guys, I'm gone. Old slap dog is out here. Ah, yeah.
Thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.